Hi everyone, Amanda Jane here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet this shell stitch lacy scarf. It's a really easy open work pattern made up of double crochet, and it's done in multiples of 6 stitches, so you can make it as narrow or as wide as you want. So this one is quite narrow. This is about 5 inches across the bottom and is about 20 stitches, something like that. So a multiple of 6 stitches plus 4 stitches for the edges and the turning. So how does this work up? I'm using Aran weight yarn here and a size 5mm crochet hook. So let's start off with a slip stitch and just a short multiple of 6 stitches to demonstrate how the pattern works up. So we'll do 12 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to do a row of single crochet across the row, all the way across as a foundation row. Start this off by going into the second chain from the hook, 1, 2. Don't ignore that one there. And a single crochet, insert your hook. Now for simplicity, I'm going into the top loop. Yarn over and bring up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. That's your single crochet. Insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. The third one. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now don't make these too tight because you actually want your foundation row to be on the loose side. So single crochet all the way across to the last stitch. Just a straightforward single crochet, and I'll just whiz across here to the end. Reach the last stitch. Then we're going to chain 2 and turn our work. So that's our row of single crochet. Turn our work. Then we're going to do a double crochet in the next stitch, just here. So not into the bottom of where the 2 chain have come from, but in that next stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's our edge here. That's the top of this stitch you've just done, and that's the top of the 2 chain. Now some people will do a 3 chain, I just do 2 because I crochet relatively loosely. Now a double crochet, then you'll skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and you're going to work a little cluster into here, or a little group, and you're going to work a double crochet, 2 chain, a double crochet, 2 chain, and a double crochet, all in the same stitch. Then you're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and you're going to do a double crochet into that next stitch, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then repeat this combination here and that one in the next section. So it's a skip 2, your open work shell, 2 chain, 2, 2 chain, and 3, double crochet. Skip 2. Now we've got 2 stitches left. We're going to do a double crochet in here. Now, if you were continuing, then you would just skip 2 and continue on with your open lacy shell all the way across. But we always finish off with 2 double crochet in a row to give our scarf or our shawl a nice edge. 2 chain or 3 chain depending on your tension, and then turn your work. You're going to do a double crochet on top of this double crochet from the row below, and then you're going to do your open shell stitch in the top of this shell just here. So at this point here, you're going to do your double crochet, 2 chain, double crochet, 2 chain, and a double crochet. So the shells sit one on top of the other, and then you're going to do a double crochet on top of that lonely double crochet from the row below. Move on and do your next shell stitch at the top of the previous shell from the row below. When you get to the end, you'll have a double crochet, and then you'll have your turning chain, and you're going to do 2 double crochet, 1 on top of the double crochet from the row below and 1 into the turning chain. Now this is where you just need to be consistent. It gets quite tricky to go through these turning chains. Just push your hook through, pull up a loop, and there we go. Now as long as you're consistent, don't go into the gap, go into that turning chain because it looks much neater. Chain 2, turn your work, and then you're going to repeat the same pattern all the way across. And we can see from here, this is how it turns out in exactly the same way. Now you do end up with a scarf that has got one scalloped edge, which you could straighten up with a row of double crochet and half double crochet, working to flatten it out. But to be quite honest, I think to have one end slightly different from the other is absolutely fine. So you've got the option there. You can finish it off by straightening the top out. So this is an open work lacy shell stitch, and I think that we might find lots of different garments and accessories that we might use this pattern for. I think it would make a lovely shawl with this as the top edge. That would be great to drape over your shoulders, and then this would fall down over your shoulders. That would be really lovely. You could use it for an open work cardigan for the summer. That would look nice, or even a short sleeve top with maybe some more edging to start the work off in single crochet, and that would give it some body. So I think it's a really lovely versatile lacy stitch that you can do in front of the television, because it's actually very simple to remember, and you can see very clearly if you go wrong. You can see very clearly where you've made a mistake. Just remember that you need to have this multiple of 6 plus 4. Now some patterns say plus 3. I couldn't work that one out, but actually you need plus 4. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Look out for more videos coming up by subscribing and pressing the bell, and give us a thumbs up, which helps grow our audience. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.